Do you want to learn how to make money on Medium? In this video, we're going to talk about 5 different ways you can make additional money on Medium. It is my favorite place to create new content and get paid in the process. So we'll talk about that in this video. Before we get into that, though, we have a quick message from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Live Marketing HQ. Discover the 77 copywriting secrets that can help you exponentially boost your online sales. Sales copy is the most critical part of any online business, and it's an area most people treat like an afterthought. If you want to master your sales copy, grab your copy of The Ultimate Guide to Copywriting for under $7. A link to this resource will be in the description of this video. What's going on, guys? Marc Guberti here. Medium is one of my favorite places to write new content, and when it comes to making money, a lot of people think about just using the platform. So the first thing that you could do to make additional money on Medium is actually to think beyond Medium. So you're going to be creating these different articles and having them make money, get more visibility. But what happens afterwards? A lot of people, they just write articles on Medium. Medium brings in some income, but they don't think about what to do next. So in my articles, I very often promote my YouTube channel as a way to grow on this platform and boost my revenue even further, because that helps me get closer to the 4,000 hours of watch time. It'll help even more once AdSense is on this channel. And when you get people on your YouTube channel, the discoverability really kicks off and allows you to get seen by more people. Other Medium writers will include an opt-in at this point at the very bottom of their article as a way to make further money. It's very important to think about your strategy outside of Medium as you approach Medium. The rest of the strategies will be specifically within Medium and stuff you could do there. The second way to make more money on this platform is to write more articles. I go for daily content on Medium, and the reason that you write more articles for more revenue is as you write more articles, you get a better idea of which articles are going to do well for you, which ones Medium is going to choose for further distribution. And the way I see it, each time you publish an article, that's an extra swing. Sometimes you miss, sometimes you get a hit, but the more swings you take, the more hits you get. And the interesting thing about Medium is it is going to be like 1 or 2 of your articles that make up the bulk of your revenue, but articles you write months ago can still make revenue to this day. And if you have hundreds of those articles in the background, it can add up to pretty sizable income, even if you just decide to take a whole month off. It takes a while to reach the point of taking a whole month off and still seeing some nice income on Medium, but you should have the goal of writing as often as you can. The more content you put out, the better. The third different way to make money on Medium is to submit your content for popular publications. Publications give you an extra boost because they promote your content to their audiences that they have already taken the time to establish. And if you're wondering, well, where do I find these publications? Medium has some publications like The Startup, Curious, and some other publications that really cater to very specific topics. But one thing you could also do is just go on the Medium homepage and see what are the most popular pieces of content. Not only is this a great way to get content ideas for yourself, but within each of those top ideas on Medium's home story that's catered to you, you will get to see what publication those pieces of content were published on. And if you see some recurring patterns, then you should reach out to those publications, build a relationship, submit your content, follow their guidelines, and get your content published on those publications that often appear on the front of Medium's page. You can also get a little more granular with this. So I like to search money as my keyword because I am a big writer in Medium's money section. That's a lot of where I live. But I will do some research there, and I will see what are the publications that keep showing up as these top, most popular places. And then I will focus more on getting my content featured on those publications because it gives you a big boost in views. And literally all of my viral Medium articles have been on publications. I'll always publish the article first as a standalone. I don't submit it before publication. I want some momentum on my own. Then the publication publishes it because they choose it, and that results in even more momentum. The fourth way to make more money on Medium is to comment on other people's content. Now, it's not like you get paid for the comments, but you are getting seen by the author and you're getting seen by the other commenters. This is very important because a lot of the people who leave comments or write on Medium and they take it seriously, or you see the same commenters again and again, those are the people who are likely paying for Medium's membership. Those are the people who you can make money from. If you share your link with your audience and it's the free link so people could view the entire article, or even if it's not the free link and Medium says like, oh, after this article, you have 4 articles left, you don't get paid for those people unless they become members. But if you leave comments on other people's content and you clap for other comments, it increases the likelihood that you're getting in front of people who are actual members on the platform versus people who are there for free, only get a few articles each month, and you don't make money from that crowd. So engage with people, not just on your content, but also with other people's content. And the fifth way to make more money on Medium is to select better tags. I like to go really broad for this. Money is a very broad tag. I also choose entrepreneurship, work, finance, investing, stock market. Pick the tags that give you at least 10,000 in their number that they show you. The higher the number, the more potential people you can get in front of. And it's much more impactful if you are chosen for further distribution in a big category versus a small one. So I would just suggest for looking for the tags, just put in a bunch of words, see if you get lucky. That's the approach I took. Not really any long tail, just one word, very basic, very broad. You can include a specific tag in there as well, just so that you cater to that specific group, but I would recommend going broad with the tags that you choose. Those are the 5 different ways I make money on Medium, and you certainly can too. I'd love to hear from you guys if you are considering Medium. I love the whole aspect of Medium and how you can direct people to your other platforms. You can use the Medium content for your books. There's so much potential here, but I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. Let me know what you think, and subscribe if you are new to this channel and you want more like this. And I'll see you guys next time.